Welcome to the channel, friends. So today in the garage is going to be a quick upgrade for the Ford Super Duty, and that's going to be these really nice Boost Auto license plate lights that are LED and much more robust housing. As you can see, I'm going to go over this on the bench top, but I also have a set of Boost Auto tow light mirrors, the replacement LED side markers running lights that I also did a video on, so check that out. I will link it down below in the upper cards on the right. But I'm really happy with the Boost Auto stuff, and they sent me these to try out and to review as well. So let's go to the bench top and just take a look at these really nice replacement LEDs you can get from Boost Auto. Okay, so let's take a look at the Boost Auto license plate lights. These are LEDs, and they basically plug into the factory connector, and then you'll install it inside here and twist it to lock them in place, and then you'll snap them in place into the bumper cover. They're very simple to install. I'll go over that in just a moment, but I wanted to show you up close what they look like. Super high quality. They even have a little seal here, top and bottom. They replicate the OEM unit exactly when it comes to this housing, ABS housing plastic piece. And as you can see, there's a lot of LEDs. You're going to have a nice bright license plate light. Everything's going to be lit up on the back side of your truck. You're going to like these a lot. So I'm going to give them a shot and see what I think. But this definitely is higher output than what I have right now. These are going to be super bright and light up that backside, light up that license plate. So they came in this nice little box. Really nice packaging, as always, with Boost Auto stuff. You know, these are meant for the Super Duty. They make them for other trucks as well and other vehicles. So please check out their website. I will put all the information down below the video to a discount code for these as well. So please check that out and use that link. But really nice packaging, you know, very simple. They were wrapped up nicely so they didn't bounce around and get all scratched up. So they were nice and packaged and wrapped up just like that. And then, you know, self-explanatory. We're going to go and install these on the truck. So let's go take a look at the existing OEM lights, what they look like, and then compare them to the Boost Auto once I have them installed. Okay, so here is my existing license plate lights. They are LED. They are Amazon cheapies that I just got. They're just the plug-in bulbs that you use in the factory housing. They work pretty good. I mean, they're decently lit up. They're kind of dim if you ask me. So that's what I'm working with in my current state. These aren't the OEM incandescent like yellowish bulbs. They are a little bit slightly upgraded compared to the factory ones, the originals, but they definitely have a little bit of a lighting output. They're not super bright whatsoever, as you can see in the video. But let's go ahead now and change over to the Boost Auto and see what they look like. Here we have the new Boost Auto plugged in. It was a very simple install and much better lighting output. I would say they're about like 3 to 4 times brighter than those Amazon cheapie bulbs that I put in there. But you can definitely tell they're a higher quality unit, and they really light up the license plate. All those LEDs really do help. It was a super simple install. I basically just unplugged it from on the inside. There's 2 prongs. You pull one prong out first, and then you pull the original housing out. Okay, this is what the backside looks like, just like the Boost Auto unit. And I went ahead, pulled that off because you're gonna have to undo the socket there, so twist it a quarter turn, pull your bulb out, which I did, install the pigtail wiring, then twist the Boost Auto, then twist the OEM actual socket into here, quarter turn like I said, to secure it into the Boost Auto unit, and then snap in the Boost Auto unit into the bumper cover, the bumper housing. So there you have it, a brand new set of super high quality Boost Auto LED lights lighting up the license plate in the rear area, the rear fascia on the truck. I'm really happy with these lights that they sent me, as well as the the mirror lights. So the tow mirror lights, as I can show you right now, since it's dark out, you can really see the switchback. So this is the running light. You got the white, and then when you do the turn signal, it's amber. So these are really, really nice. I'm really happy with the way they look. As you can see, I'm hoping to do the cab running lights next. So that's going to be the next project. And I'm really happy with the Boost Auto products so far. Like, they are just really impressing me. So I definitely like Boost Auto when it comes to lighting exterior upgrades so far on my truck. So what are my initial impressions of the Boost Auto license plate LEDs? The install went extremely easy. They came right out, popped right in, super high quality product. You know, I'm really happy with the way they perform, the lighting output. They're definitely brighter than my Amazon cheapies that I had in there. So I'm gonna keep them on my truck and run them. I'm really happy with, so far, the Boost Auto products. I have them, like I said, on the tow mirror LEDs. I've replaced those LED assemblies with the Boost Auto version. So I'll put information down below on those, and as well as the license plate lights I just did in this video. But I plan on doing other Boost Auto stuff as well in the future, so stay tuned for those. I plan on doing the LED cab lights that are going to match the tow mirror lights, as well as the steps, the illuminated steps, or maybe even the powered steps. I don't know. I think I might want to go with just the stationary, non-powered step that illuminates for New England because of all the salt and the sand and all the debris and crap that gets in there. I don't want those mechanisms to fail eventually. I just want something solid and looks good, obviously. The Boost Auto ones, they're illuminated and they got a nice powder-coated finished black. So I'm basically redoing a lot of stuff on the truck. I have new wheels. I'm doing everything kind of blacked out. I plan on doing the headlight housings eventually and replacing the OEM Ford ones. So I want to find something along the lines of maybe like an FRX or something like that. Morimotos, I really like those, but those are super expensive. I really don't want to spend the kind of money on those. But I'm really happy with the Boost Auto stuff. I really wish they offered some headlight housings for the Super Duty, because I think they would excel at that and a lot of people would be interested. But like I said, I'm very happy so far with the LEDs for the taillight, not taillight, the license plate lights and the tow mirrors. So check those out. I'll put the information down below. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.